Alrighty, all today we're taking a look at question 1 for recitation 12. And for this one, we're trying to find the net or equivalent capacitance of this mess of a system over here. So I don't like that picture. I think it's small, boring, and not particularly colorful. So I have this one. It's the same exact thing, just drawn prettier. So, and the colors, that's just to help differentiate. And all of the things labeled in here, those are all in the microfarads, same as in the picture up here, right? So I'm going to start with this pink section over here, or purple, I guess. But these two capacitors are in series. So because they're in series, we get to use our 1 over C net equals 1 over this C net, or 1 over that C, 5, plus our 1 over this one, 3.5. And this isn't the C net of the entire system. This is going to be just our purple C net, right? So if we calculate all this out, right, we get that this purple C net equals like 2.06-ish, right? Then we can look at this blue section over here. These two capacitors are in parallel, which means that we just add their capacitance to get the total capacitance, which means that our C net in blue, right, is going to equal 0.75 plus 15, which give us 15.75. Right? So that's our C net of this section. Now this entire green line, right, this branch, this is in series, so it's this capacitor here in series with this section here. So we just calculated our net capacitance for this section, so now that is in series with this. So that's our 1 over C net for this green section, right, is going to equal 1 over 1.5, this one up here, plus 1 over the blue C net that we just calculated before, right? Which is 15.75, which you can plug in. So when we do all this out, 1 over 1.5 plus 1 over 15.75, right? We're plugging that in. So that's going to give us that this green C net is labeled properly, and that's going to be equal to about 1.3696. And then again, that's still in the microfarads. This one is too, right? So then we look at our entire system, and we can see that this branch is in parallel with this branch, which is in parallel with this branch. So that means we're going to add the net capacitance of this, plus the net capacitance of this, which is just the 8, plus the net capacitance of this. So that means our total C net, with no colors this time, is going to equal the C net for our purple section plus the C net for our green section plus this 8 in the middle, right there. And if you add all those together, you're going to get something along the lines of 11.4284. And again, that's still in the microfarads that we started in. Right there. That's going to be your final answer because it has the same units there. Alrighty. I hope you found this kind of helpful. Let me know if you have any more questions about this or any other problems that you want me to try to explain. And I'll do my best to explain them because I guess Sydney explains stuff.